Hello student, in this video we will talk about the operation on rational number. What is the meaning of that? We are going to add, subtract, multiply, divide the rational numbers. Before starting, we are going to remind what are rational numbers. A number which is in form of p by q or x by y, you can say, where denominator p or y should not be equal to 0. Should not be equal to 0 means what? If it is going to equal to 0, if it is going to equal to 0, suppose p by 0 or x by 0, both value will tend to infinite. Both value will tend to infinite. It is known as tend to. Okay, tends to. Both value tends to infinite. Means it goes towards the infinite, a point which can't be defined. Okay, so this is the form of rational number. A rational number is in the form where p and q can be integer. It is in the form, it can be integer. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 0 is not neither positive nor negative rational number. As in the case of integers, it is not positive, it is not negative integers. Okay, so 2 by 5 can be the rational form. Okay, minus 7 by 5, etc. Okay, so coming to the main point. Okay, addition of the rational number, addition case. And what is that addition case? Addition case is here. Suppose we are taking an example, 3 upon 7 and minus 4 upon 9 will be added. Both will be added here. Okay, so first take the example of 7 and take the LCM of 7 and 9. Okay, 7 1 ja 7. You can take any one value first. You can take 9, you can 7. Okay, 9 will be as it is. Okay, so 9 will be divided by 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Okay, again. Okay, so it is the 7 cross 3 cross 3, 63. Okay, so this is the LCM. Okay, 63. So what you are going to do here? 7 9 ja 63, just 9, write 9 here. 3 minus symbol is here. Okay, just put a bracket. 9 7 ja 63 cross 4. Okay, cross 4, and it is what here? Again 63. 9 3 ja 27 minus 7 4 ja 28. You are getting what here? This value is 27 minus 28. Okay, upon 63. This is your next step. After solving it, if you operate it, you will get here what? Minus 1 upon 63. Why minus 1? Because 28 is greater than 27 and it is having negative sign. So it is an example of addition of the rational number. Next we will talk about the subtraction of the rational number. Suppose example is here, 3 upon 9 from 5 by 7. Same. Okay, so means what? 3 by 9 from 5 by 7 means 5 by 7 minus 3 upon 9. Same is here. So no need to take LCM again and again. 7 9 ja 63. Okay, first just divide it, 63 by 7. Okay, 7 9 ja 63 cross 5, minus sign is there, just keep write it. 9 7 ja 63, 7 cross 3. Okay, so this is what? 9 5 ja 45 minus 7. Okay, minus 7 3 ja 21 upon what? 63. Again it is what? 45 minus 21. So it will become 24 by 63. So this is the way to represent. Okay, so these are the cases of addition and subtraction of the rational number. I hope you have understood this one. Okay, in the next video we will talk about multiplication and division of the rational number. So thanks for watching.